Hello, hello, hello guys. Welcome back to AutoCraze. Full workshop today, but we are only focusing on one build. Let me show you what it is. All right guys, this is Neil's Raptor. Neil reached out a few weeks ago, got inspiration from Brad, from Greg's car, wanted to put his own touch on it, and that's exactly what we've done. Alright guys, starting from the front of the car. Neil has opted for the Hamer Atlas bar. He's gone for the loopless bar. Very sleek design. We've done it on many Raptors here before. Really suits the front end, gets to show off that beautiful Ford Raptor grille. The GME radio. Many people in the spots use them for spotties. He didn't want to do spotties. He wanted to put the GME in front. Reason he has put the GME radio is because he had the availability at the front because he's opted for the Trailbait light bar behind the grille. Just touching on the Hamer bar as well, we've customized it. Gone for the blue look to suit the rest of the car. We have got the Nomad 232s. Neil really liked the design, love the colorway. We've chucked them on. We're gonna surprise him. We're gonna add an extra customization to the wheel to really spice it up and match the rest of the car. There was a lot of chopping and changing when it came to the roof rack. Neil ended up deciding on the front runner roof rack, nice and slimline. Still wanted to get into those car parks when he goes to work. We've opted for the front runner. Has an integrated light bar, nice and seamless, extra functionality. All right guys, coming to the rear of the car. This is what took a lot of tinkering, umming and ahhing which size we wanted to go. Neil has opted for the one full height, one mid height. Availability to put still luggage when he goes on those long trips. Full height, a lot of storage. And on the mid height, we've got a slide top if he wants to put a fridge, anything on that down the line. As you guys saw at the front, we do have the Hamer Atlas bar. Wanted to complete the look. At the back, we've got the Hamer rear bar. Really suits the Raptor. Onto the side of the car, Josh has just finished with our very own Nomad side steps. Sleek, light design, rated to 300 kilos. Doors open, they'll come down. Doors closed, they'll tuck themselves away. You guys know the deal. So this is our Brown Davis long range fuel tank. This is an 160 litre fuel tank. So as we know, the Ford Raptors don't have the best fuel range. This gives you that extra availability to go those long range trips. The one thing we said we were gonna customize Neil's wheels were, on the Nomads, we can customize them to any color you like. Neil's car is obviously blue, so we've gone for the Nomad ring to be blue to really suit the rest of the car.
What's going on guys? Neil's Raptor is done and dusted. Front bar, radio, winch, bash plate painted in blue, the lift, the Nomad wheels with the custom rings, front runner roof rack with the Nomad Next-Gen light bar, the beautiful Nomad electric side steps, the rear bar, and the showcase of it all, the Ute Master Canopy. With the full twin drawer setup, as you can see, we've got the Ironman staggered drawer setup in here also. You will also see the inverter, the control panel. Based on the other couple of builds that we've done, you'll see where the batteries are located. The batteries are sitting here behind the seat. So we've got the custom lithium setup right behind the seat with a 40 amp DC to DC charger. That will give him enough power to power up the inverter and to run any 240 volt accessories off-road. As you've seen Greg's car, you saw Brad's car, now you saw Neil's car. Whether you have a Ranger, whether you have a Raptor, Hilux, Kia Tasman, BYD Shark, whatever it may be, whatever vehicle you have, we've got it catered for you. We can do anything you require. If we don't list it, if we don't have it, ask the question because I can guarantee you I'll get it found for you. So guys, come visit AutoCraze. Whether you give us a call, 1-800-099-634. The service will always be the same from all of us here because we're a team and you're a family. We've done a whole heap of accessories. The car looks absolutely amazing. You guys want to go see it?
Let's do it.
Take a look at your brand new Raptor.
Oh my God. Holy moly. It looks massive now.
Lights behind the grille, your radio,
Bloody hell.
the big lift, the 35-inch tyres, made perfect for
God, it
this
looks
car.
nice and neat, and
It's just
like it should be there.
Like it should be there, correct. The twin drawer setup.
It's unreal, isn't it?
What do you want to say to the people? How did this all start? Where did this inspiration come from? Why did you want to do it?
Well, it actually came up on a Facebook feed.
Yeah.
Somehow I was searching up on the internet, and obviously Facebook can stalk you.
Yeah, of course I can.
And a thing came up with a blue Raptor, and I thought that's exactly what I want with the AutoCraze at the top. And that's when I came straight in here and talked to you and Joe, and you've been sorting me out ever since.
Everything that we've done on the car was just all uniform. It looks all complete. It looks all together.
I love the flow into the arches.
Into the arches. Yeah. So guys, obviously, a lot of time has been spent doing this car.
Hey, you guys have done a brilliant job. I love it. What do you think, man?
It's so good.
What was
So
your
good.
favourite part? Say it again.
Side steps.
Side steps. It's always a thing. It's just a statement maker. You just open the door, boom, the side steps go down. So pretty cool.
My mum will be happy.
Happy
She
to
might
get
be able
in.
to get into it, you reckon? I'll still have to give her a nudge. That's brilliant. Thanks.
Awesome.
Awesome.
Numbers.
Love it. Thanks to AutoCraze, eh?
That's it.
You guys are awesome.